We call this the Ford Universal Electric Vehicle Platform. It represents the most radical change on how we design and how we build vehicles at Ford since the Model T. And I'm especially pleased to announce that the first vehicle off this new platform will be a midsize truck built right here at Louisville and will reach customers in 2027. We needed a radical approach and a really tough challenge to create an affordable vehicle that delights customers in every way that matters: design and innovation, flexibility, interior space, driving pleasure, and lower cost of ownership. But we need to do it and be sustainable and make money. And we need to do it with American workers. We made a big bet on our country, and we made a huge bet on the state and the Commonwealth of Kentucky. Now, why do I say bet? That's an intentional word, because there are no guarantees with this project. We're doing so many new things, I can't tell you with 100% certainty that this will all go just right. It is a bet. There is risk. The automotive industry has a graveyard littered with affordable vehicles that were launched in our country with all good intentions. And they fizzled out with idle plants, laid off workers, and red ink. And at Ford, 3 years ago, we set out to break that cycle. No more compliance cars, no more loss leaders that require a big check from the company to make. We're talking about a vehicle that can sustain itself, have strong profits, so all of our workers and the community here has actually a sustainable future.